have crippled.
To Baldi's world of fun where no one leaves till educate.
Helicopter!
Locked up tight, stay inside till we're graded. Students try their best to better their education, comprehend the material. Nobody wants detention. We only want attention. Even when life is tough, words are enough. So just behave. Walking across the hallways, finding notebooks, so we mentor, follow every single rule, or he'll take out his wooden ruler. For he is listening and watching everyone's progression. All mistakes have consequences, so answer the question. Try to add up excuses, nothing will make a difference. Baldi knows every door that we open, following from behind we can hear him. There is no avoid that move from every side, better to leave him be, follow his philosophy. The answer's inside of it. Sweep to the halls, to escape we'll have some sacrifices. No room for jealousy, I've got no time to play hide and seek.
Man, I'm dead.
He'll surely find me. Have to be brave or better keep being around till I don't know. Get the fuck out of my room! I'm playing Minecraft! All that's ingrained, can understand what's the solution. Heaven is a I'm pushed around with all the pressure. To be here when I go on and stay. There's gotta be some sort of exit to get away.
Man, I'm dead.
Olive, what are you doing?